Hi there, and welcome to today's episode about students' constitutional rights in schools. I'm Wilson Shirless Jr., and I'm excited to dive into this essential topic. Together, we'll unpack the history and the legal foundations of these rights, examine how they vary across different school types, and discuss a pressing issue rather, that schools face in today's society. And to wrap up, I'll just go ahead and share my perspective as an education leader on handling these complex these complexities effectively. Okay, so let's go ahead and discussing the historical and legal basis of student rights. Students' constitutional rights within schools have been shaped by landmark decisions from the U.S. Supreme Court. One pivotal case, Tinker versus Desmona's Independent Community School District from 1969, established that students retain their free speech rights on school grounds, so long as their actions don't cause significant disruption to the learning environment. Okay? So we got that part first. So we got that part down. However, these rights are not without limits. For example, in New Jersey versus TLO in 1985, the court ruled that the schools can conduct searches based on reasonable suspicion. Okay? You got that? Rather than the stricter probable cause standard, emphasizing the need for a safe and orderly environment. These cases illustrate the delicate balancing act courts undertake to respect students' rights while addressing the unique demands of education settings. All right, that's the first part. Now, how school environment shapes student rights. The nature of school. What is that? Whether public, private, charter, or virtual, plays a significant role determining how student rights are applied. Public schools, as government institutions, must adhere to constitutional projections like those guaranteed the First and Fourth Amendments. Charter schools, through public, may follow different rules depending on state laws and their operational guidelines. Private schools, on the other hand, are not directly bound by constitutional provisions, but they must honor contractual agreements and anti-discrimination laws. Virtual schools introduce additional complexities, such as monitoring online interactions and ensuring equal access to resources. Understanding these distinctions is key for educators and families when addressing legal and ethical concerns. All right, moving forward. The debate over social media and free speech. A major topic of discussion today is how schools should handle social media posts created by students outside of school. The U.S. Supreme Court addressed this in Mahoney Area School District versus BL from 2021. The case involved a student who disciplined for posting a profanity-filled Snapchat message criticizing her school and cheerleader team. The court sided with the student, stating that the schools have limited authority to relegate speech made off campus. So, it also acknowledged that schools can step in when posts involve threats, harassment, and bullying. Okay. But now, supporters of stronger school oversight argue that even off-campus posts can disrupt the school environment and harm students. On the other hand, critics believe that punishing off-campus speech infringes on the First Amendment rights and gives school excessive control. This debate continues to challenge educators as they seek to strike the right balance between projecting free expression and ensuring a safe, respectable learning atmosphere. At my approach as an education leader, so I plan on someone who leads in education, I see the importance of taking a thoughtful and balanced approach. When respecting students' rights is vital. Schools have a responsibility to maintain a safe and supportive environment, okay? Clear policies on digital conduct can help set expectations, while resources to problematic posts should be prioritized education over punishment. Personally, I advocate for restorative practices to address conflicts that arise from social media. Okay, for example, if a student post causes harm, efforts should focus on understanding the impact for parent relationships and encouraging responsible online behavior. This method respects students' rights while fostering their growth as mindful participants in the digital world. Now, to sum it all up, students' rights within schools are projected but not without boundaries. Navigating the tension between these rights and the need for safety and respect is a challenge, yes, albeit particularly in today's digital landscape. But by staying informed about legal precedents and creating fair, inclusive policies, educators can effectively manage these complexities. So, thank you for tuning into this episode. Let's keep the conversation going as we work to empower students while maintaining equitable, secure learning spaces. Thank you.